here to discuss equation of a line in the format y equals mx plus c. This is quite a useful format because it gives you two pieces of information that sometimes can be useful. It gives us a slope, which is represented here by m, so whatever the coefficient of x is, that is your slope, and the plus c, the constant or the number on its own, that represents the y-intercept. And we just demonstrate that here with our line that we have. And the equation of this particular line, the red line, is y equals 2x plus 3. 2 being the slope, so it has a slope of 2, and we can see that there, and it crosses the y-axis, or its y-intercept is 0, 3, and that's what that 3 represents. So if we just change the slope, so if we move it over to maybe minus 3, slope of minus 3, we see our equation now reflects that change. So we have y equals minus 3x plus 3. So it still crosses the y-axis and the y-intercept at 0, 3. That hasn't changed, the constant hasn't changed, but our coefficient of x has changed to minus 3. If we change the constant, you'll see that the line itself, the slope doesn't change, it's still minus 3x, but all that changes is this constant, plus 5 now, because the y-intercept is now 0, 5. You'll also notice there that because the line is going down from left to right, or descending, it has a negative slope. So minus 3, that means that it's going down from left to right. If we change that, if we change the slope to positive, we see it's going up from left to right, or increasing or rising from left to right, and that's reflected in the fact that it's a positive slope. So in this case here, the equation is y equals 2x plus 5. That means it has a slope of 2, and it crosses the y-axis, or its y-intercept is 0, 5. Now the only other thing that it's worth looking at here is when the slope is 0, you'll see that the line is horizontal, because it's not going up or down, it's just a horizontal line. And we'll recognize there that this equation of this particular line is y equals 5. There's no x value because it's just 0x, which is 0. So as you move your constant up and down, you're just basically changing it from y equals 5, y equals 6, and so on. Okay, that's all for now.